Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on OKX. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official OKX website right here, OKX.com, if you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just open up the App Store, search for OKX, find application and install it. So once you've installed and open it up, this is going to be the main page. From this home page, we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started creating an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So the process is the same, doesn't matter which platform you're on. First things first, you need to log into your account. And now here at the top of the screen, we can go ahead and take a look at the market section and the trading section. That's going to enable us to get started trading futures with leverage. But currently OKX does not have a direct option to go ahead and trade stocks. You have to go to their stock trading page, from where we can get started searching for SpaceX. But guys, currently SpaceX is not in the public round. It is only available to private investors. It is currently in the private equity round, meaning you cannot get into it. So sometimes in the near future, we are hoping that the stock is going to go live and that is going to launch as an IPO that you are going to go ahead and be able to get into it. For now, you cannot get into it, but once that does happen, you can log into your account like I just explained or any other platform for trading, from where you can get started researching for SpaceX and getting into it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.